Welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we'll be assembling this T-54, 55 tank. So take your cutters, cut away the sprue marks. Alright, so there's that. Let's do the other barrel here. Make that done. Alright, there's those barrels. Then I'm going to set aside the parts that don't need any clipping. Alright. Then there's these here. These little ones. So just take and clip the sprue marks. There you go. Another sprue here. And a sprue there. Alright, so now there's this support plastic underneath this guy. There you go. Just be cutting away like this with your clippers. Or whatever way you have to cut away stuff. For now I use these clippers, which I actually sell on my website, miniaturetanks.com. Alright, so that is cut. Now this is the... Okay, and then just these. Alrighty then. And we have this other piece too that I'm bringing into the scene here. I forgot to bring it over here. So these are the crates, stowage crates or something like that. There you go. That's good. So all the clipping is done. So now let's go ahead and start the gluing process. Take the barrel, dab a little glue there. I'm actually using the table here to help me guide that in. So there's that barrel. Let's do the other one now. Small pieces. I'm working with the HO scale. If you're working with this scale, you can see how it's done. If you're working with a larger scale, theoretically it should just be a little easier. Just dabbing a little glue there. Then we got this little piece here. Let's put that there. Using my tweezers to help with that because, okay, small parts. I believe it's optional if you take this big or a small one here. And I believe they're lights, I'm not sure. So, anyways, let's continue with this process. Alright, so take some glue there. Put it along those edges there. And take this front piece. I'm using the table to help guide it in. There you go. Now take some glue here. And then go like that. Oops. Alright, just stay there, please. Next is this piece. So just take some glue here, and everywhere. Take this piece and put it like that. Oops. There you go. So this main body part of the tank is coming together nicely. Now it's this. Alright, so carefully you need to take this piece here. See how it lines up. That feature lines up with that. There you go. Okay, then there we go. Okay, then You can see how these line up pretty well like that. There you go. So the hull of the tank is taking shape. Next, these tracks. Just take some glue, dab it there, some in the middle. So how I'm putting it in this little circle on the front and the circle on the back stuff, just aligning it and then all these connecting it like that, and then seeing it from this side too. Just getting all these tracks placed. Okay. There's that. Next, we'll do this. So take some glue here and there. Okay, and then just take some glue, put it on these little holder things. Okay, then take this barrel, gonna place it like that, trying to anyways, and then this other barrel, and let's like that. Alright, so that's good enough for those. This, I believe, is like a log that comes with the kit. You could have it as stowage or whatever you want. I'm going to go ahead and just get some glue here in various places. And I believe the stowage is all based on what you wish to do. You can look at pictures, just make sure you're getting the correct areas where stowage go. This stowage one, there you go. Next, I'm going to put 3 dabs of glue like that. And then here is this one. Putting all these little stowage in place. There you go. Then let's put the turret in. And there you have it. It's the T-54, 55 from Miniature Tanks Company, available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.